Have you ever wondered what sponge daubers or blending brushes are for? Or maybe you've ordered some, but they're still in the packages. Or maybe you even tried them and you created what you thought was more like a hot mess. If you answered yes to any of those questions, you need my latest class. I'm going to show you 4 different and cool blending color techniques in my Beautifully Blended Backgrounds online class. Here's just a few of the things that you're going to learn. What's the difference between sponge daubers and blending brushes, and do you need both? How to add glue to vellum so that it doesn't show. How to create stencils from things you already own. Plus, save time when you download my full supplies and measurements tutorial. You don't need to stress if you can't do the class right away. You have lifetime access. To learn all these secrets and techniques, you might think this class is over your budget. Not so. It's only $27 for all of these tips and tricks that you can add to your own stamping toolkit. Learn how to create bold, beautiful, colored backgrounds in any colored inks you have. Click that button now and get immediate access to your Beautifully Blended Backgrounds online class.